Hi everyone, my name is Vlad, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple abstract illustration with random triangles. I will use Pixelmator Pro, but you are welcome to use any image editor of your choice. I can kindly recommend Pixelmator, it's an excellent program. So let's create a new document. I will need a very small one, 8 pixels by 5 pixels, and I will zoom it in all the way up. So let's start by creating a vector layer and filling it with some random color. You can pick whatever color you like. For this experiment, let me take some highly saturated blue, for example. Yes, something like this. I'm gonna try some dark colors, but you're welcome to use whatever you like. So the next step is to apply some noise to it. So I switch to Effects tool and add some noise. Yeah, I'm gonna add 2 noise effects. First is monochrome, black and white noise, and another one, not monochrome, but slightly less intense. So play with those 2 sliders until you like the color combination. You can also come back to Style tool and change the fill color if you don't like it for whatever reason. So for example, let's try some light greenish bluish colors instead. And make some more monochrome noise, a little bit more. Oh, something like this. Okay. Let's assume we're happy with that. The next step is to merge all the effects into pixels, convert into pixels, it's called. And now we have the pixel layer instead of vector layer. And scale it up to, for example, 800 pixels. And we get this nice blurry image. It's a temporary image. I will save it as a JPEG file, and I will call it temp. Right, so the next step, and I switch to my browser. I found some triangulation tool on the web. It's called image triangulation, and I will post the link in comments. So I load the image that I just made, this one. And this tool has 4 sliders here. I will need to zero 3 of them and play with the second one, accuracy. It basically, it's a number of triangles that this tool generates. And again, feel free to play with it until you're happy with the results. Let's assume that this is exactly what we are looking for. The next step is to click download, and then it's very important to select download vector SVG image. Okay, it's now in my downloads folder. Let's go back to Pixelmator. I can remove this image, it was temporary. And I open the image that I just downloaded, SVG image. So this will be the final wallpaper image that I will create. So it includes a lot of triangles here, which is great. They're all vectors. I group them all. I select all layers and hit Command G to group them all. I will also scale it up a little bit. Yeah, like this. And then I increase the resolution of the whole image. My standard wallpaper size for the source size is 8000 by 5000 pixels. And because this is all vectors, they remain sharp at any size. So there is one more thing I need to do. You can see there is a bit of transparency here between the triangles. And to fix that, I can simply duplicate this group, and then merge it into a single pixel layer. Then apply some Gaussian blur Let me find it here. Yeah, so it's a bit of blur here, and then I just move this layer on bottom, and the transparency issues is fixed. So another step you may want to do is to again play with color adjustments, and to do that I again select all layers, group them into one single group, then switch to color adjustments tool, and here Pixelmator Pro has a number of presets and you can play with them, see what adjustment you may like. Let me quickly jump through them and see, maybe I will like some colors more than others. I usually spend a lot of time on this step because I'm never really sure what colors I'm looking for until I found something that really strikes me. Greens maybe? No, not really. Yeah, for the sake of experiment, let's settle with that. I don't want any grain. Yeah, grain is off, that's good. And it's nice that Pixelmator added some vignette effect. It adds some depth. So this is basically it. Now you have the large and nice high quality image that you can set to your wallpaper. Thank you.